watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
What's going on, guys? It's Alex with Melody Lane Inspired, and on Saturday I designed a fall card. It's got a branch, it's got some leaves, and there's a few things that I changed. Really one thing that I changed on it from Saturday, and that's more so because I went to do print and cut, and the print and cut on the printer, my magenta is not working on my printer, so I changed some things. I ended up doing foil, so let me go ahead and show you what I did. So let me go into design space here. So in here we have this autumn is my favorite color, and I made this two different color foils, and I made this top one a bold and then this one a fine point. So let me go ahead and show you that. That's all I changed on here. And I mean, the card itself isn't quite these colors. I was looking for this color paper, and I have something a little bit lighter than this. These colors are slightly different as well as for my pen drawing, and I have pen drawn on some of these, but I don't think I'm actually going to show the pen side up. I think I just like the maple leaf and whatever leaf this is. I think that's a maple leaf. I see that and I think of Canada. Let's go ahead and go to over. Alright, scissors. So this is the color card that I went. The front is going to be this color. And then I did like a red and an orange on there. There it goes. Oh, and if you see that it's slightly messed up right there, that's my fault because I didn't secure the pen in the Cricut Maker 3. You have to make sure the little door is locked. I'm like, why is the pen just bloop, 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 bloop? And I was like, oh, I see the issue. Alright, so, oh, and this is how that turned out. It might be hard to read with the, okay, so autumn is my favorite color. You can see the A is a little messed up, but that's alright. Glue this to that. But I think I'm going to use some glue dots. I think people always say, oh, you can use glue dots for that. You can use glue dots for that. So I found some glue dots. I have no idea how many I need. A few too many. Oh no, this is the back piece. Whoops. I'm gonna put those on here. Give it just a little bit of height. Nothing too crazy. Put that on later. Let's put the leaves over here for now. Let's go ahead and put this branch on here. I think I want to lift the branch. So I got these real thin little hexagon guys here. Now I will have to cut one of these in half because it's a little wide. I'm going to put this down here. Oh, I need to move it down just slightly. And then I want to take this other half and put it farther down the tree. I think that's good, and then the end can just kind of be floating. So let's go ahead and put this on here, like so. Pretty close to the end, pretty close to the top. And we're making, it's an A2 size card. I like that. I like that. It's got a little, my finger can go all the way underneath there. Ow. Okay. Got the glue. Let's go ahead and glue down some leaves. And like I said, I'm not gonna use the side with the pen. I'm just gonna glue on that side. I know one of these smaller ones was above here. And then I was thinking with some of these orange ones, let's put these red ones on here first, I guess. This is the biggest one. These are pretty big. And you can put these wherever you want. I'm just kind of got an idea of what I wanted to do. I almost feel like I need to glue this thing down. No, I don't. Let's see. What I can do is put a little bit of glue at the edge of this leaf, and then glue it to the branch. See how that turns out. I know it's like in the same spot, but it's like this big leaf that's behind it is like blowing off into the wind. Let's put this one down here. I have a lot of little leaves still. I was going to put one falling right here, and then put another red one over here. That's okay. Just move them around. I'm going to put another one though right there. It's kind of fallen over in the corner. This is where I want to put this. So I'm going to put these pop-up dots on here. These little itty bitty ones. Really, I only need to use 2. I'm going to put this down in the bottom left corner. Not too far to hide that guy. There we go. Let's go ahead and start adding some of these orange ones. And this one I kind of want to go right in the middle. There we go. In between those two layers there. We're going to put one red one on the inside with one orange one on the inside. So then all of these other ones I need to find a place for. I've got one right here. Got one like right up here. Oh, yeah, and the other thing that I was going to try to do was I was thinking possibly like have little Arteza marker to make it slightly different color oranges. I can just color it orange. I mean, it's already orange, might as well make it a little bit more. And then I'll do this other one like that as well. I'll make two. Maybe I'll just do the outside edges. I don't know. I'm just going to do all of it, I think. There. Now we have some extra colors. I'm just going to put one like right here. Inside this big one. Put up here with the tail end of the tree. And then on the inside, we're going to just glue the happy fall. And what I could do is use glue dots. Took too many off of here. So one. How many do I have? One, two. Three. Need one more. Four. Oh man, that's way. I used way too many on the front piece. I used 4 on this big piece, and it's golden. So let me put these in here. Couple little leaves in the corners. I really like how that one came out, from being this color to being that color. It's like in between the two. I really like that. I like how those turned out. I definitely could have used glue dots for all of these as well instead of actual glue. But I love my glue. I'm using the Barely Art glue. There we go. 2 little leaves on the inside. There's something on here that keeps catching my arm. Okay. So here. So originally, you know, it's kind of hard to read the lighting. I wanted to put it on the lighter brown, but I accidentally put the wrong paper in the machine. But you can read it. I actually like the bottom, the gold. I should have just done the fine point, but I'll probably go into the project and switch it to fine point instead of the bold, because the fine point looks really good. There you go. Autumn is my favorite color. Happy fall. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you Friday in the new image set video. Doodles!